Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings and going straight to Display. This saves time. Tap Brightness to see the slider and current mode. You need manual control. Once you locate Adaptive or Auto Brightness, turn it off so your adjustments stick. Next, move the slider to a level that's readable indoors but not maxed out. This reduces eye strain and battery drain. If you have a brightness quick tile, use it for fast changes during testing. Now you refine the brightness. Slide slowly toward a comfortable percentage. Typically 30 to 70% works for most lighting. Make sure night mode or blue light filter isn't boosting warm tones that affect perceived brightness. Once set, step into brighter and darker areas to see how the screen responds. This verifies visibility and battery trade-offs. If available, use the display timeout and contrast settings to stabilize appearance. These tweaks help balance clarity with power usage. To finish, lock the device and test apps to confirm consistent brightness across use cases. If the slider is unresponsive or jumps, restart the phone first. That clears temporary sensor or software glitches. Make sure the proximity or ambient light sensor isn't blocked by a case or screen protector. Clean the area if necessary. If problems persist, reset display settings to defaults or update the OS. One key tip: restart before anything else. It resolves most brightness issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.